Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Richard Simmons, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A fake WordPress security plugin has been discovered to allow attackers to gain remote admin access to sites, posing a significant threat to website owners. The malicious plugin masquerades as a legitimate security add-on, but instead grants unauthorized control to attackers, compromising site security. Experts advise immediate removal of the plugin and conducting thorough security checks to protect against potential breaches. Recent reports reveal that malicious packages were discovered on the Python package index, PyPI, exploiting Gmail and WebSockets to take control of affected systems. These packages, named Mails Helper and EO Helper, were designed to intercept user data and execute arbitrary code by utilizing these services. Security professionals emphasize the importance of scrutinizing dependencies and updates in development environments to prevent such vulnerabilities. Harrods, the luxury department store in the UK, is the latest retailer to face a cyber attack, adding to the growing list of businesses dealing with digital security breaches. Hackers reportedly accessed company data, raising concerns about the potential exposure of customer information and business operations. As investigations continue, Harrods is working closely with cybersecurity experts to assess the impact and strengthen its defenses. Canadian electric utility Nova Scotia Power and its parent company Emera faced a cyber attack on April 25, 2025, causing disruptions to their IT systems and networks, but without affecting power supply reliability. The companies promptly activated their incident response protocols, engaged cybersecurity experts, and have notified law enforcement as they work to restore full services. Despite the breach, Emera confirmed it would still release its Q1 results as scheduled on May 8, 2025, with no expected impact on financial performance or operations beyond the attacked systems. Cisco has enhanced its extended detection and response XDR platform and Splunk capabilities by integrating Agentic AI to improve cybersecurity measures. This move aims to provide more robust security analytics, enabling better threat detection and faster incident responses. The integration signifies a significant advancement in Cisco's offerings, strengthening its position in the cybersecurity market. SonicWall has confirmed that two vulnerabilities impacting its SMA 100 secure mobile access appliances are being actively exploited by threat actors. The first vulnerability allows remote authenticated attackers with administrative privileges to inject arbitrary commands, while the second flaw could enable session hijacking through improper output escaping. The vulnerabilities affecting multiple SMA 100 series devices have been addressed in recent firmware updates, although no details on exploiting attacks or responsible actors have been disclosed by the company. Chief Information Security Officers are increasingly encountering cybersecurity challenges driven by data expansion and compliance demands, making manual processes insufficient. The automation of incident response is essential, as it can significantly enhance efficiency, reduce resolution times, and improve team focus. Implementing a strategic, phased approach with an emphasis on continuous improvement and training is crucial for cultivating a resilient security culture. Thank you for listening. I'm Richard Simmons. We appreciate your time and listening. I am excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.